artist and the creator of the She Series. The She Series is a collection of portraits that I have been working on over the past few years featuring inspirational women. This is a campaign to fund a book full of all the portraits I have created so far, as well as 40 new ones. There is a reason I chose verbs to accompany my art. The She Series has always been people doing things, accomplishing things, taking action, and inspiring others to take action as well. My hope for this book is to show how important all of these different actions are, that seemingly simple actions can be profound. In addition to this book being an informational biography about strong women, I hope it'll also inspire people of all ages to take action in their own lives, even if they are afraid or told that they shouldn't do something. This is not going to be a book filled with just my art, though. I have hired more than 50 amazing writers to write 500-word essays inspired by each She Series portrait and the word associated with it. These writers are bringing their incredible talent and their own stories of connection to the people we are featuring. They are not only writing about inspirational women, they are inspirational themselves.
Hi, my name is Mahivash and I'm a writer from India. I'm really excited to be a part of this project because it features inspiring women from all over the world.
I am so honored that I got to write about one of my heroes.
I'm so grateful to have been part of the She Series project because it's so important that we honor the women who are impacting or have impacted our lives.
One of my essays is on Deb Haaland. I wanted to write about her because I think who she is and what she represents is so important because she's part of a history that's largely been forgotten.
So when I learned about Hattie Carthen and how she fought to save trees and to plant trees and revitalize her neighborhood, I knew I had to write about her. She was my own personal hero.
I am so honored to be writing about Tracy Edwards and her choice to navigate around the world in a sailboat and straight through a male-dominated sporting culture to be named Great Britain's first ever female Yachtsman of the Year.
One of my own personal heroes, Carrie Fisher, said, "Stay afraid, but do it anyway. What's important is the action." I so appreciate you considering backing this project and for all of your support over the last few years. Thank you so much.